Hi YouTubers, I'm Dylan, and in this tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to draw Hercules from the 1997 Disney classic. So grab yourselves a nice piece of paper, get a good pencil, grab a chair, sit back, relax, take a deep breath, and let's draw. So we're going to start out with a circle shape for the top of his head. And remember, like I always say in these videos, and like how I always start with, draw very lightly and loose and messy at first, so that way, when you make mistakes, they can be faded away in the final drawing, and they'll be covered up and erased real easily. Just like that. Then, we're going to draw a triangle. Draw his jawline, and his chin, and make sure you don't have debris underneath your paper. And then what you want to do is bring that up a bit, followed by his ear. It's basically like a rectangle with a curved bottom. Then you're going to draw his neck shape here. And then we're going to set up the basic shapes of how his hair will be set. And then you might want to put a curved line on top so that you know where it will be, to where it ends. And then you're going to draw a curve here. This will just be a guide. It's basically like two circles or a heart shape. And then you're going to put a center line so that you know where the middle of his face will go, and a line that's halfway down from the circle to set up where his eyes are going to go. And then a line, another small line at the bottom for where his nose will go. Now, we need to draw the nose first before we get to the eyes. So it's basically going to go down like this, and it's straight. And then you're going to want to draw the eyebrows. One here, and it's smaller, and it gets thick on this end and thinner here. And then about a thumb from the top away, you're going to draw another eyebrow. It's going to go like this. And it's going to be longer on this side. So you got that. There's the eyebrow. And now we're gonna, maybe we can go ahead and darken in the top, the bottom end of his hairband for now. But now we need to get on with his eyes. So we'll define this side of his head. Then, about slightly below the eyebrow, you're going to make this S shape. This will be his eyelash. And then the eyes themselves, that's the eyelid. The eyes themselves are these, they're not circles, they're kind of like these round squares. One here. This eye's smaller because it's on the other side. And then if you want, you could also go ahead and put the other side of his nose. Draw this and this other eye. That will be the eyelid. And then that end is big. This eye is bigger and it's got kind of like, it's almost like a lemon shape. Then you can darken in the eyelid. That's the eyelash, actually. This is the eyelid. And then we need to draw the details of his eyes. So we're going to put these circles on the left side of both of his eyes so that he's like looking at us. Then we need to give him some irises. These are the pupils. And these little white spots, these are the highlights. It means when a light source is hitting your eye, it's causing a reflection to show. And then to bring those highlights to life, you fill in the pupils with the side of your pencil. And then to finish off the nose, you draw this U shape that goes like this. Now let's draw his mouth. We're going to make him smile. So we'll draw this M shape. Well, a smaller end on this side and a bigger end here. Put this end right here. That's to show that he's smiling. So it's an M shape with a curve here. Then you're going to draw another V shape to get the other end. That's the dimple. And then for the lower end of his mouth, draw this backwards L. And then to finish off the side of his face, we can beef up all these lines. And to finish off his chin, it goes in this C shape right below his chin. And then you're going to bring it all the way up here. And then you're going to bring up this shape up here. That will be the back end of his chin. And then what you can do next is draw his ear. And it's going to go all the way up to that end of his eyebrow. So that's the ear. So you got that. And then you're going to throw in this side of his hair. And now we need to draw his hair. But before we draw his hair, what we need to do is define his neck like this. And then right up here, we're going to draw this big curve from the point of the inside of his ear. And then you're going to draw this curved neck. It's not straight because we're trying to show that he's having a little attitude. So we got that. Now we're going to draw these curves that go like this. After that, we're going to draw another shape that goes in a similar way. And it's going to go all the way up and up to that line we put right at the end of his hairband. All right, next thing we got to do, we need to draw this end of his hair. And then before we get to the other end, before we get to finish this part, we're going to draw this U shape that's kind of an S shape. So we'll draw that. It's almost like a roller coaster shape. And then draw the top line of the hairband. And make sure it goes from thick to thin, like this. Okay, now that we got that, we're going to get this side of his hair. So we'll draw that curve, and then we're going to bring it all the way down here. So just beef up that line, just like that. Okay, next thing we gotta do, we're gonna draw this end of his hair. So I'm gonna create a curve that goes up like this. And then you're gonna make a U shape, and then make an S shape, and then make a C shape with a point. Darken in this end as well. Beef up any lines that might be too thin or too light. Well, ones that are important anyway. And now we're almost done. We just need to draw some lines inside his hair. Because without them, it wouldn't really look like hair. It would look more like, I don't know, a helmet or something really silly. So we got that, and then we got some back here. It's basically this C shape. And then you're gonna repeat the process on the other side, and then put a line that follows it here. And draw a light line if you have to in order to make it symmetrical. And then, if you would like, as a finishing touch, you can take the side of your pencil and shade in his hairband. In the movie, it's red, but I'm just going to shade it gray. If you want to color it red on your own, that's fine. Just shade that in. Go over some lines, like his nose, and whatever else you have to. And there you have it. You have your very own portrait of the mighty Hercules. Hope you all had fun. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe for more in the future, and I'll see you next time. Bye.